Hi, this is Raja. I'm going to show you how to do cross to back and cross to front. It's like a cable stitches without using cable needle, so it would be fast the way to knit. So because you don't have to stop and use the cable needle to slip the stitches off. So we're doing that by crossing your needle, twist the stitch, and so forth. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the first one, which is cross to back. You do that by you skip the first stitch and you go to second stitch on the back. You're gonna go ahead and knit to the back loop. So insert needle into the back loop of the second stitch of the left needle, and you're gonna knit to the back of that stitch, and do not slip the stitch off the needle yet, because you can hang on to it. You're gonna bring that needle back to the first stitch and knit into the front of it, just like we do normally. So we got both of them done, and we're gonna slip both of those stitches off the left needle, and you're gonna see that it will look like it cross over here. You get this stitch, cross over this stitch. So that's called cross to back, or C2B. And the next one I'm gonna show you is C2F, or cross to front. Cross to front is done by skip the first stitch, go to the second stitch, and you're gonna knit into the front of it. So you insert the needle just like the way we knit, but only get the first stitch. It's gonna be a little bit hard. My needle is slippery, so maybe bamboo needle will work better. So insert the needle right into that second stitch in the front loop. See, I have a hard time doing that. Always hard time when I want to show people, right? Okay, now I got my loop, so I'm gonna knit into that second stitch, and I'm gonna hold on to that yarn that I just picked up, and I'm gonna bring that right needle through the first stitch to knit it as usual way. Knit and slip both of them off. So now you got it. You want me to do it again? Okay, now do it again. I'm gonna do C2 back, cross to back, skip the first, insert a needle to the back of the second stitch, and knit it as normal. Don't slip it off, and come back to the first one and knit, slip both of them off. You got it? And then that's the back, right? C2 back. Okay, one more on the C2 front. Okay, C2 front, knit into the front of the second stitch, and then knit into the front of the first stitch, slip it off. Okay, I hope you get it. Thank you.